Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, you know the love is deep. So last time I chanced on Kiddwaya's live session, and he spoke about a couple of things, but the main reason why I brought this up was because I saw that on Twitter people were dragging him because he made a playlist and his number one song was Lacon's Nobody or No Something, and a lot of people were dragging him because of course he and Erica seem to be in a relationship, and people are wondering why he's still cool with Lacon. So on his live session, he talks about the fact that all the housemates are cool. So you guys should just chill. But then again, he and Erica have unfollowed each other. I don't know what's going on with that, but I'm dropping the live session for you guys to enjoy it. Thank you so much for always watching my videos.
Tell me how you're feeling. Write your emotions in the comment. I do that question shit. Truly. It's not my first time going live with you guys. I don't usually go live. How'd you do it? Oh, where? Oh, you pick it. Where are you?
Yeah, there's loads, right?
Wait, this is the unofficial Q&A. Unofficial Q&A. Wait, did I answer it? How you doing, kids? What's the band of glasses you're wearing? Wow. Guys, live your life. One thing I realized, yeah, and real talk. And by the way, I've got a lot of things coming up, specially planned. A lot of things. The truth is, yeah, I needed this holiday. So, I needed this break to like gather my thoughts and to like rethink and strategize. Trust me, when I come back here, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy, I promise you. When I come back, everything's gonna change. Everything. And I hope you guys are ready for it, man. Oh, and by the way, if you've not tried Moroccan tea is the shit. Look how you pour it like this. Oh, you're there, my head, and the head too strong. All right, next question. So where's Erica? She's in Lagos. Didn't you guys go to her meet and greet? Yo, I'm living my best motherfucking life, guys, trust me. And that's what you need to do. Stop giving a fuck about what people think. Because people always hate. They always have their opinion at the end of the day. No matter what you do, it's never good enough, trust me. I don't even smoke shisha, but I said to myself, you know what? When you're on holiday, just do what comes to your mind. Who says sing? And Jelikuyi, I should sing. But you know I can't sing. Alright, which song do you want? What? That's a lie. He says, I actually looked as well. I actually looked. Where are you? You're not there. Where are you? I'm looking back. You're not back. Where are you? Rhymester_NG. Alright, Michelle, I love you as much as you love me. That's on God. I always say, I always say I love you guys more than you love me, because without you, I'm not me. So honestly. Yeah, but I want to know how you guys are doing. Kid, stop blowing smoke on me. You guys don't put me in trouble though. I'm blowing smoke on myself. Nancy said, kid, how old are you? You know I'm 27. How old am I in your eyes? That's the question. Hold on, I gotta pour some more Moroccan tea. Oh shit, I spilled that shit. Alright, next question. Will I count California? Bro, Cali's a vibe, man. I got a lot of boys in Cali. Cali's a vibe. Definitely. Oppo. I can't even say it twice, man. Oppo. Yo, someone send me that link of the Airtel task we did. Put the link on the comment section. 444. Wait. Tabitha Dora Skyly said, kid, you're not a gentleman at all. Why now? What's up? Yo, by the way, SA is coming soon. I'm coming to SA very soon. Very, very soon. I got a lot of fans out there, a lot of love. I'm coming there real soon, trust me. Yeah, Morocco too. Morocco is a very beautiful place. I'll be there very soon. Maybe not this year, but first quarter of next year. The plans are too much, man. There's too much fucking plans. Oh, by the way, this live is going to be 18. It's not PG. So if I swear, if you're too young, cover your ears. And shout out to my boy Lekon. Me and Lekon are guys. Like, stop trying to divide us. See, the truth is, all us Big Brother people are fans. We're all friends. Like, I don't know why fans are trying to divide us and trying to say, kid, you can't be friends with this person or that person. We're all cool. You know, you guys should relax. Like, we're all friends. And don't forget, in the house, we're all good. So outside the house, of course, we're gonna be all good as well. But that's one thing, I really want to let you guys know. All of us are cool. That's just the thing. So when you see me with this person, or you see this person with this person, we don't have an issue, man. I'm going off live in about a minute. This is like the unofficial live. Just catching cruise. Alright, next question. Yo, this spiritual journey never ends. It's like an ongoing journey. It never ends. How was your Halloween? What do you guys do? Alright, let me ask these questions. So, my cousin's handle. Okay, yo, tell him your handle.
Kiddwaya. Kiddwaya 1.
Oh, play yo, I need a badass song, a badass tune, like a really crazy motherfucking song. Shining up, shining up.
What are people saying? What do they want to listen to?
Shining up. Yo, can we? Tell it to me. Play the Octavia song.
Which one?
Octavia one.
Why is the camera looking like this though?
Is it me?
Yeah, it's looking weird.
Zinni, behave yourself. You should be here right now. Where are you? You should be here right now. No. Play that that Octavia one. His new song.
What's it called?
No, Octavian. Yeah. Famous, that's it. Alright, another question, no question. Okay, hold on. These ones, one.